In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Ledger in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to select, and which export format fits your needs. So you can confidently save a clean copy of your Ledger for review, sharing, or audit purposes. First, sign into Zoho Books, and look to the left-hand sidebar. Find and click the Reports module. This is your central hub for all financial summaries and drill downs. If your layout looks a little different, don't worry, Zoho occasionally updates the interface, but the Reports area will still be on the left. Once you are in Reports, scroll down until you see the Accountant section. Here, choose either General Ledger or Detailed General Ledger. The General Ledger gives you a concise view of accounts and balances. Great for a quick snapshot. The Detailed General Ledger includes individual transactions line by line, which is ideal if you need to trace activity, support reconciliations, or provide documentation to an auditor. Pick the one that matches the level of detail you want to export. Next, set your date range. You can use presets like this month or choose a custom range to match a specific reporting window such as a quarter or fiscal year. Getting the date range right ensures you are capturing only the relevant activity. After selecting your period, click Run Report. This generates a live view so you can quickly confirm you've picked the correct ledger type and timeframe before exporting. With the report on screen, go to the top right and click Export As. You'll see options such as PDF, XLSX, and CSV. Choose PDF if you need a formatted, read-only document that's easy to share. Choose XLSX if you plan to analyze or pivot the data in a spreadsheet. Choose CSV for maximum compatibility with other systems and tools. Before finalizing, adjust any available export settings to align with your organization's policies. If the export allows password protection, enable it when you need to safeguard sensitive financial information. When everything looks good, click Export to download the report. Your browser will save the file to the usual downloads location. If you don't see it right away, check your downloads list or confirm that your browser didn't block the download. Open the file to verify the correct date range, ledger type, and format. That's it. Thanks for watching.